In this video, I'll show you how to export Facebook page insights so you can download your page performance data and review it later. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page you want to manage. Once the page opens, scroll down and look for the Professional Dashboard or Insights section and tap on it. This area shows you information about how your page and posts are performing. Inside the Insights section, you can view details such as reach, engagement, followers, and post performance. To export the data, look for the option related to Export Data or Download Insights if it appears in the menu. Tap this option and choose the type of data you want to download, such as page data or post data. After selecting the data type, choose the date range for the report. Then confirm the export option and Facebook will prepare the file for download. Once the file is ready, you will be able to download it and review your page performance information. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.